Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queen. Today we're taking a Dollar Tree frame that we finally found at our location, and we're gonna take the insert out, pick an image, change our mind 17 times, make sure the image fits in the frame, cut some canvas. This is just scrap canvas that I had from another project, and this is what our image is gonna sit on. So we'll do a layer of Mod Podge and then place our canvas down onto the backing of the frame. Give it a good dry so it's not slipping and sliding while we work. Trim it up real nice, and then take a paintbrush and some water and start going around our image. I thought this was perfect for spring, and you could probably get away with leaving this out all year. So whatever image you like that fits your style or the season. Since we used a water brush to go all around our image, we're gonna go ahead and dry that, and we'll glue our image to the canvas and dry that. I'm gonna take some Distress Oxide. I'm just gonna make this more my style or my soul. Just give it some aging, make it look a little worn. You can skip this step altogether if you don't like the age-worn look. I also use some wax. You can blend these things out with makeup brushes, paint brushes, Q-tips, paper towels, whatever. Once I got the image where I wanted it, it was time to focus on the frame. We're gonna sand this frame and rough it up a little bit. Put a layer of white chalk paint on there. Give it a good dry, and then touch up as needed. Since I'm not putting any gold on this, I really didn't want any gold showing through. And you guessed it, we're gonna dry again. I need a drying song. Once it's all dry, you can just touch up as needed. And then again, we're gonna make the frame look like our soul, tattered and worn, and matching our design. The insert. The picture that's going in this frame, you know what I mean. So I'm going to lay some Distress Oxide down, some wax. We're going to blendy, and you can do this as many times with as many layers as you want until it's just right, like Goldilocks. And once you feel satisfied with how everything's looking, you can put your insert back in, do any touch-ups that you need, and she's all done, guys. I think she turned out super cute. I want to do several more in several different styles. This is what we got for today. Thank y'all for watching. If you're not already, give us a follow, and have yourselves a great day. Bye.